Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check the coolant in this 2001 Ford Focus. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. So with your hood popped, your coolant reservoir is right here. You want to make sure you check this when the engine is cold. There is a max line right here and a min line also. You can shake the reservoir a little bit to try to see. It looks like this is a little bit over full. When you go to pop this cap off, like I said, you want to make sure this engine is cold. Otherwise it's going to spray out at you, and you can check the level. You can top it off right there, put a funnel in there. When you're done, just take the cap, screw it back on, just snug it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.